Hello, everybody. Good. I had to check if it was morning or afternoon. Good afternoon from Chicago, and here to do another video. And let me get some of the particulars out of the way. I've been making money online for 24 years, the past 6 years as a trader. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down. If you got questions, please post below. If you're interested in potentially checking out our trading community that is now going on 7 years, please reach me. Links, Facebook, YouTube, whatever way to get a hold of me, and we'll start plugging you in. We have an impulse scanner that takes the guesswork out of break-in structure and trend that is absolutely crushing it for our team. So reach me. But anyway, the purpose of this video today, and that won't be a terribly long one, is I want to start answering questions for folks on questions that I've gotten, because obviously I'm not only a trader, but I'm helping try to grow our team, and we're almost 6,000 members, and I've been with the team for 6 years. One of the common questions I get about trading is, do I have enough time, right? The person comes to me and says, I got a full-time job. How am I going to trade? I work nights. How am I going to trade? Are the markets open? Because I work 2 jobs. And so my answer to every person that ever has asked me this question is, if I can do it, you can do it. Because long time ago when I was starting my online business, if you follow me for a while, you've heard my story. Full-time job, part-time job, going through a divorce, 2 kids, court-ordered visitation, and my kids were in multiple sports. Okay? And I started my own business. So yes. But as far as trading is concerned, the answer is still yes. Okay? Here's why. A couple reasons. First of all, people get the idea that I got to be sitting on a chart. No, you don't need to be sitting on a chart. And this impulse scanner is helping members even cut down their time on charts. Now, our full disclosure, our team teaches smart money. And then we align with this impulse scanner because you literally can identify a trade within 60 seconds. So let's just say you're 9 to 5 person, right? Well, you could trade a couple hours in the morning, okay? Let's say you're midnight to 7. Okay, well, you could trade late night session where you're at. The markets are open 24 hours, 5 days a week, and crypto 24/7. Now, we don't teach you to trade crypto until you have mastered trading forex. So when somebody says, do I have enough time? Yes. Full-time job, you got kids. I mean, somebody asked me this question today. Hopefully he'll see this video. Yes. Okay. First of all, most of our team, when they join us, now we have tons of very successful traders in our community. And we also have tons of people that have some experience in trading, and we have tons of people that know nothing about trading. First of all, we take all that out because we'll teach you step by step everything. We have a great program to lay out for you. But this impulse scanner, you can identify if there's a trade to be made in, I don't know, 1 minute. Yes, that's correct. 1 minute. All right. If there's no trade, you go on with your day. People have this misconception that you need to take a trade every day. No, you just need to find 1 to 3, 2 to 4 good trades a week, and you can hit whatever your goal is. All right. And everybody has different goals. So yes, the answer to the question is yes, you can trade no matter how busy of a lifestyle you have. All right. If you've got kids, they play sports, school, homework, full-time job, even if you have a part-time job, yes, you can. There's always times to trade, and this impulse scanner, it helps cut down the time that you might have to analyze a chart, okay? So here's why, if I can do it, you can do it. I had a student that got on board. It's probably been about 18 months ago. And it took a little bit of a while to convince her to come on board. There's no question about it. And the reason being is she had a full-time job. Then she had a second full-time job. Then she had kids as a single mother. And I'm like, whew, I mean, that's a challenge. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I have a great belief in everybody. I have a great belief in people and human nature. And I said, absolutely you can. And this is even before we started utilizing this impulse scanner, teaching smart money. Okay. And we have an entire program laid out, step-by-step training. We have a Discord community, team training website, private Facebook group. We do Q&A sessions. We got it all laid out. We got it all. No excuses. And she took it one day at a time, and I could see the progress because in our Discord community, we have a section called wins where people can post charts of their winning trades. And she just kept posting wins almost every day, every other day. She had a plan. She executed our training. Then she quit her first job. So now she has one full-time job, kids as a single mom, but now she has more time to enhance her skills of trading, spend more time with family, sleep, whatever the case may be, doesn't matter. And now she's on her way to quitting her second full-time job. So when people who are thinking about joining us say, do I have time to trade, Jeff? I don't give them a BS answer. I said, yes. Okay? Now, the other part of the equation is, okay, well, I can't sit and watch a trade for 5 hours. Okay, you're right. I understand. So you can see this is a trade I'm in currently, GBP AUD, and this is on a 1 hour chart. And this is the number of pips currently at 62 pips. This red line is my stop loss. Okay. If I want to go take a nap, okay, if I want to go to the movies, okay, I can do that and I can still manage the trade. Now we have software to help manage the trade so that this stop loss can be moved, or you can manually move it, right? Like me. Okay, I can do it on my phone. So I don't have to be in front of a PC. I can see the trade now. That's obviously a successful trade. And I can manage it on my phone if I don't have the software. Now you have a software that we have called an exit manager or trade assistant. There's several that'll manage the trade for you. Okay? So you're not sitting in front of the computer after you've taken that trade. So for example, you got a 9 to 5 job. I'm in a trade. 7 a.m. Boom. And we'll teach you. You'll get it on your phone as well. And maybe it goes into profit. Maybe you're away from a PC. You can move your stop loss on your phone. Or if it goes into profit before you go to work, or maybe it hasn't activated yet and you get back from work, you're at home, you got a PC, you can throw an exit manager on, a trade, whatever the case may be. There's multiple things to help manage the trade. So that's why when somebody says, do I have enough time to trade and do I have enough time to manage the trade? And part of that is all about what kind of trader you're going to be. Are you going to be an in and out trader and within 15 minutes? Are you going to be a long-term trader where it could last a couple days? You figure that out as you go along, especially if you have no experience in trading, okay? But the point is, when somebody says, do I have enough time to trade with a full-time job and kids? Unequivocally, yes. Okay? Any questions? Reach me. If you like this video, thumbs up, thumbs down, all that good stuff. Reach me on Facebook. The links are below. If you want to take a peek at this impulse scanner, reach me, send me a friend request, drop a message here, whatever it takes. Reach me, and I'll get you information. Have a great day, everybody.